It's about a proud legacy of winning speed. And it's about passing that down to the next generation. While complying with the world's most stringent environmental regulations, we intentionally did not change the best features of this acclaimed race-ready machine. Thorough revisions under the surface reflect our uncompromising effort to achieve optimal performance and the best possible lap times. The new GSX-R1000R is the culmination of advanced Suzuki technologies. An engine built to challenge world standards. Its design was re-examined from the ground up to maintain the highest level of performance. At the heart of the GSX-R1000R is a compact yet powerful 999.8 cubic centimeter water-cooled DOHC inline four-cylinder engine. It produces consistent power and a stable torque feel from low to high speeds. Responding to the demands of the times, it complies with the Euro 5+ regulations. Technologies are incorporated throughout to achieve uncompromising power while improving environmental performance. The throttle body bore was increased by 2 millimeters and the shape of the piston head changed. The resulting increase in compression ratio contributes to retaining optimal output. In addition, the shape of the air funnels was optimized and intake efficiency improved. The primary injectors mounted at a steep angle inside each throttle body operate full time when the engine is running. And at high RPM, a secondary set of 4 top feed injectors spray fuel from the top of the airbox directly into the intake funnels. This results in enhanced combustion efficiency, throttle response, and top-end power. Improvements extending to the finest of details have contributed greatly to the engine's durability. The wider new type cam chain and new crankshaft design with thicker journals are designed to accommodate higher loads. The uncompromising basic engine design helps expand the bike's potential as a base machine for racing. In addition to its racing performance, the GSX-R1000R has always been about winning the hearts of street riders. That's why we made no compromises when it came to achieving environmental performance, including Euro 5+. The camshaft intake and exhaust profiles were optimized to achieve the development goals for both engine output and emissions regulations compliance. The maximum lift has not been changed, but the overlap has been reduced. In addition, all components that comprise the intake and exhaust paths, from the intake funnels through to the muffler, were thoroughly reviewed and optimized. The new engine also adopts a large racetrack-shaped catalytic converter with a pair of O2 sensors positioned in front and behind it. Highly evolved electronic controls further refine the riding experience. The GSX-R1000R uses a state-of-the-art IMU-based electronic control system to deliver integrated rider and motorcycle performance. The inertial measurement unit tracks 6 axes of motion in real time, angular velocity around the 3 axes of pitch, roll and yaw, and acceleration in the 3 directions of forward, backward, left, right, and up, down. Utilizing this data enables finer precision over traction, braking, and cornering control. Suzuki Drive Mode Selector lets the rider select freely between 3 different modes. SDMS works in conjunction with Smart TLR control to match power output, to match varying conditions or riding preferences, while improving comfort and control at lower speeds, such as on urban streets. A mode, sharper throttle response, maximum engine power, suitable for use in circuit riding. B mode, the throttle response is slightly milder, but the output generated by the throttle operation is linear and easy to handle. C mode, throttle response is at its mildest setting, suitable for driving in the rain or around town. Smart TLR control offers the rider more precise control under diverse and varying conditions. The Suzuki traction control system offers settings for 10 traction control levels to support the rider's preferences and surface conditions. The system employs real-time data input from a variety of sensors as well as the IMU to instantly supply optimal traction. Precision control over ignition timing and throttle valve position ensures optimal power distribution. As another function of smart TLR control, roll torque control operates silently in the background alongside lift limiter in conjunction with the current Suzuki traction control system mode setting. Based on data from the IMU and an array of sensors, this intelligent system analyzes the bike's riding condition to predetermine optimal power during cornering. This control reduces the degree of traction control intervention, allowing the rider to exit the corner faster. Lift limiter uses data from the IMU and other sensors to help suppress front wheel lift when accelerating. It operates silently in the background with its settings determined by the STCS level setting. It initially calculates the lift limit and controls the throttle opening, then executes final precision control when lift actually starts. As one benefit, it helps deliver smoother and more optimal acceleration, especially when exiting corners. Launch control supports smooth and efficient acceleration from a standing start. The system is activated by pressing and holding the start button. The system is designed to limit engine speed and optimize torque delivery, freeing the rider to open the throttle wide and focus solely on clutch operation. At launch, the system holds the engine at 9,500 RPM for an effective start. Suzuki's motion track braking system supports controlled braking in a variety of riding conditions. The ABS unit uses input from the front and rear wheel speed sensors along with vehicle attitude data from the IMU to control braking pressure and support more effective braking. Equipped with Astamo's latest ABS unit, the system provides smooth control and assists the rider when braking while cornering. The slope-dependent control system helps prevent rear-wheel lift when braking downhill. The ABS unit monitors the bike's attitude using input from the IMU and controls brake pressure when the rider applies the brakes. The system aims to provide stable braking even when riding downhill. Low RPM assist supports smooth starting by mitigating engine RPM drop when starting from a stop or when running at low engine RPM. The ECM also controls the Suzuki Easy Start system, which allows the engine to start with a single push by keeping the starter motor running for a fixed period of time. Suzuki's bidirectional quick shift system allows riders to shift up and down without having to operate the clutch or throttle. Smooth shift changes allow the rider to focus on riding. Mode 1 is available for faster response, and Mode 2 features a lighter touch. Unwavering chassis performance. The GSX-R1000R's fine control and aerodynamic performance are built on this solid foundation. Based on Suzuki's engineering policy, the chassis was designed to enhance rider confidence in the GSX-R1000R's run, turn and stop performance on the track. The goal was to inherit all the characteristics that should be retained, while continuing to add further polish where it would help evolve the platform. Only the things that called for further evolution were changed. Its twin-spar aluminum frame and aluminum swing arm continue to provide the right level of rigidity and lightweight. Continued use of Showa BFF forks and a BFRC light shock ensures race-ready performance. The GSX-R1000R also takes urban street riding performance into consideration. Equipped with the optimal parts for suitable riding scenes, we pursue comfortable riding in all situations. The GSX-R1000R adopts the latest versions of the IMU and ABS units. The ABS provides more precise control when operating. The frame, swing arm and seat rail as well as the rear wheel allow the rider to feel input from the road surface directly. The GSX-R1000R features optional new winglets. They use airflow to create downforce while riding, and this contributes to better cornering performance. At high speeds, the winglets also reduce the lift caused by the engine's powerful output to ensure a more reliable sense of contact. In leveraging downforce to suppress lift as described above, the winglets benefit riders by allowing them to open the throttle with greater confidence when exiting a corner. Its presence visually gives the rider a sense of pride in ownership. Polished electrical equipment and design. Ease of use and beauty are in the details. Bright and highly visible lights complement the refined front design. In addition to the sharp silhouette, the design reflects the GSX-R1000R's motorsport DNA. The aggressive and dynamic graphics are a testament to the serious racing nature of the GSX-R1000R. The slim new muffler design further highlights the GSX-R1000R's dynamic silhouette, and the GSX-R logo engraved on it quietly adds to pride of ownership. The GSX-R logo is also embossed on the seat and printed on the rim stripes. The top of the tank and the key mascot are marked with 40th anniversary to denote the model's special status. In addition, the blacked-out tank cap ring and gold brake disc housing highlight the special nature of a commemorative model. While complying with new standards, the design actively pursues functional beauty. The LCD meter panel is clearly legible, providing the rider critical real-time information. The GSX-R1000R uses a black background for the meter panel and allows 6 levels of brightness adjustment. It ensures optimal visibility in all environments. The color lineup is as shown on screen. A complete form that surpasses the world's highest standards. A ride that has been honed to perfection. Designed to perform, built to thrill.